Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dot, and if you are new, thank you for stopping by to see this video today. If you are a subscriber, you are appreciated. I have an unboxing, and let me tell you why I made this purchase. I purchased a beautiful dress to go to an event, my husband and I, and it was a color that I just don't have in my closet. It was green. It was a beautiful dress. I wore the dress, and I could not find a bag to carry with this dress. So I wound up carrying something that I wasn't really pleased with, but it did tell me that I needed to find a bag in this colorways so I won't run into that problem again. So here is my unboxing of a green tabby, and I hope she does the job. So stay tuned. We have an unboxing.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
So we can get right into it. So here she is. I purchased her from Amazon. This is a Coach. It's a Coach Tabby. And she comes wrapped like so in the plastic from Coach. And I'm just going to rip into her. She is wrapped really good. She was on sale, and I'll have to post the price here because I can't remember right off the top of my head what the price was, but it was a pretty good price. And she is a 20, I think it is. I think she's a tabby 20. And let's see. Oh, look at that. She certainly is green. Let's see. Okay. So we have the magnetic closure here. And I'm going to try to, let's see, myself together here. I can't even remember what type of strap this is. I think it may be a chain. Yes. So she came with the leather strap here. And I'm going to put this box down so it's distracting. And she also came with get that out the way. Ooh, look at that gold. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get that out. Okay. She has this gold chain. See the clasp there. There is a small pocket, slip pocket in the back. You're not going to be able to fit much in here because she's very tiny. I don't think this is a 20. This may be a 19. I think it's a 19. I guess I should know all that stuff, right? So let's see. Here's the care cards here. And a little dust bag. Oh, this may be a dust cloth. And here's the dust bag. Trying to find a little tag in here. Take the stuffing out. It's taking me a minute to get through. I'm pretty sure the type of leather this is. I'm wondering how it does with prints because I think that it will definitely pick up prints. Okay, so let's see. So here is, can you see? Let's see. a little hard. Let me see if I adjust it this way. Okay. There are slip pockets there, card pockets, one, two. It's three card pockets there. You may be able to see that. Then in the front, there is another slip pocket, the open space, and then the front pocket here. Let's see. It's just a snap closure there. Have your Coach Peng tag. Again, that slip pocket. You won't be able to fit much in here. And let's see. I'm going to attach. I'm pretty sure my video is going to have all this noise with the chains. Me fooling with this shoulder strap, which is a chain. It does not come with a leather shoulder strap. Let's see how that is. Really like this. Okay, my friends, so here are the details. This is the olive color. I purchased her from Amazon. She is listed at $275. I purchased her for $196.28, which is about a 29% decrease from the original price. The material is a spazzolata leather and refined calf leather together. So it's a kind of a rich leather and it's glazed. So that's where you see that shine. It is the Tabby 19. So just to clarify, it's the Tabby 19. This bag can be worn three different ways: as a clutch with no straps, then the strap here, and then there is this gold chain drop strap. It has a 21.5-inch drop, which is pretty generous for a strap, so you can wear that crossbody. The measurements of her are, she is, let's see, 7 3/4 inches this way. That is the length. As far as the height from here to here, she is 4 1/4 inches. And then the width is 1 3/4 inches. So that's the measurements of this 19 Coach Spazzolato and refined calf leather. And she's quite gorgeous. I have another olive green, which is the Lana shoulder bag, and I like the green. So now I do have two green bags in my collection. I have one which is a large bag, and this one would be for those special occasions, nights out. This is a great bag that I would carry even on a cruise when you're having the captain's dinner. You know, I always want something small to carry along that can go for more like evening wear, and you can carry this as day wear as well. I'm sorry. So I love her. I don't know if you can get a good picture of the color. I think she may be a keeper, and the leather is genuine full grain leather. Let's see that here. So she's genuine full grain leather. So she has done the job that I needed her to do. And I welcome Miss Olive Green Tabby to my collection. This is a Dot, and I'm signing off. See you next time.